Hear it? Sounds like a dead bird.
Good morning, everybody. So, we have already been downstairs for breakfast, and we are not leaving here till 8:30 this morning because I think that we get into the Music Hall of Fame, if I'm not mistaken, at 9. So, we are so excited about going to that. Yesterday, I about died of heat. Even though we had beautiful weather outside, when you have to sit that close in the bus for a long period of time, it just kind of got stuffy. But then we got a second bus driver, and she turned these little like air vent things on, and everything was really, really good at that point. So today, though, I decided to wear my hair up because of how hot it was yesterday, and it's supposed to be warmer today. So we just had sausage and gravy, potatoes. What else did we have? Eggs.
And you had yogurt.
Yes, I had a yogurt, and then...
And I had more sausage.
And he had more sausage. And we had coffee. Coffee's really, really good here. Very, very pleased with coffee. And then we just came back up here to the room so that I could brush my teeth, and we could just kind of chill a little bit this morning. I've got a little bit of a migraine today, and so I took a couple Advil, so hopefully that will just subside and we can go on about our day. Hard to get out of bed after doing all that riding yesterday, and we had to get up at a little after 6 this morning, so yeah, was not looking forward to getting up this morning, but we did it, didn't we?
We
did.
Really did.
We really did.
I'm very proud of it.
We did not want to get up, and you certainly don't have to eat breakfast, but if you eat breakfast, then you don't eat as much later, like, because there are certain meals that are not given to us on this trip, and we have to buy them. That's not a problem, but yesterday was a lot of food. I mean, we ate breakfast before we left the house, and then we went to Chick-fil-A, and then it just seemed like we just rolled the dime over and we was eating dinner. So it was a lot of food yesterday, and when you got to do a bunch of walking and all that, it was really hot yesterday. But anyways, we are we kind of had a situation when we got to the room. Our toilet was broke, and it was so late that we did not want to complain to anybody because we just wanted to go to bed. So we had to get up this morning and go downstairs and tell them that that toilet would not work. The other thing is the water will not shut off in the sink, and it's kind of weird. But it will not shut off. Anyhow, they said they were going to fix it while we were gone, I guess. And it's just funny the things that happen when you go and stay somewhere. This hotel is pretty nice. It's clean. Management seems to be very nice. The breakfast today was laid out very nice, and they're very busy, so there's a lot of people staying here. It looked like to be a lot of people that work in conjunction with the airport here in Nashville, because the airport is right here. So, yeah, so that's what I think, but anyways, it was all good, and they're going to fix the toilet and everything, so it'll be all right. So anyways, we're just going to chill for a little bit, and then I'm going to take you guys along with me. I don't know what exactly I can video in the Music Hall of Fame, but definitely you guys will see us, and we'll check in with you and let you know what we think about the Music Hall of Fame. I personally have never been. I've been to Nashville many, many times, but never been to the Music Hall of Fame. And it's supposed to be a lot of audio described areas so that blind people can enjoy their tour. I'm anxious to see how that is. I know Ronnie is. And I might hit a gift shop today. We'll see what we can find in the gift shop and just have a good time. So come along with us.
Yes, sir. And we don't need to. You and I are here. When you're
We got a breeze out here.
Yeah, it's nice. I can never think about pure white and black.
Morning.
My video's on. Now we're gonna throw money into the water in front of you. Ready?
Yep.
1. Show her pennies and her dimes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. All right, we're leaving the Music Hall of Fame. The Music Hall of Shame.
Well, I must say, it was a huge...
Now we have to go down these stairs of doom. And I'm gonna quit videoing, so I probably should video because probably do something real good on these stairs. Hopefully you can see me with the light behind me. We are back to our hotel. It's Ronnie's bag, by the way. Back to the hotel. Apparently the maid did not clean the room. I'm pretty sure they're supposed to clean the room, but they didn't. So I'm not real sure about that. But anyways, got back from the Music Hall of Fame and I did buy a few things and I'll show you guys what I bought. Because I know you guys like to see stuff like that. So I got these for my mom. So Mom, if you're watching, turn it off. I'm always looking for unique things for my mom, like because she's a musician and she likes music note things. Anyways, they had these. I thought these were really cute. And anyways, I got her those. And then I got Ronnie Lee and myself a little something. I bet you guys could guess right off what it is that I could not go home with.
I heard it fall. I know what it is.
You know what it is, don't you? It's all the time. Everywhere I go, I cannot come home without one of these. Even if it's just a simple trip to Home Goods. So I got a mug, of course. And I'm trying to show you guys what it looks like. There it is. It's real pretty. It's really pretty blue color. And then I got Ronnie the cup, and I got myself something I'm gonna wear tonight. They had this one little store. It had the most unique stuff in it, none of which I could really afford. I wanted everything that was in there, especially, oh my gosh, especially this Western shirt they had in there. And I'm like, where in the world, in what lifetime would I wear a Western shirt? But yeah, I would find some place to wear it because it was that pretty. Anyhow, I got, hold on, I'm trying to maneuver. I got these earrings. Aren't they pretty? So I got me a pair of earrings and I'm gonna wear them tonight when we go to the Grand Ole Opry. So I was laughing a little bit because, you know, a lot of people will share their vacation vlogs and they are, you know, sipping Mai Tais next to the ocean. And here we are in Nashville and we ate at Chick-fil-A. Well, today we're going to hit Wendy's, which is a very, very popular place here, I hear. And their Dr. Pepper is superb and will quench anybody's thirst. So that's where we're having lunch today.
That sounds good, actually.
We're going to Wendy's.
Lots of pies.
Right here by the hotel, there is a McDonald's, Wendy's, and a Taco Bell. And I did not want tacos. I was like, let's do Wendy's, because I've not had Wendy's in forever, and it just sounds so good. So I'm gonna probably definitely score me a burger and some fries. I'm a definite burger and fries girl, and I married a fry and burger man. So that's where we're headed next. And I do want to say that the Music Hall of Fame was worth every penny. They had these little like things that as you walk through, there was these numbers, and you punched the numbers into, it looked like an old 1990s cell phone, but actually it was a player. You put like, you know, if you were at the display case of 11, you would put in 11 and then hold it up to your ear, and it would, you know, tell you what that display is about, which is awesome for blind people. And I thought it was great that they had that. They had famous automobiles, motorcycles, people's clothing. I'm a huge Barbara Mandrell fan. I love the Mandrell sisters, if anybody is old enough to remember that. I love them, and I took a picture of a display case where they had one of her outfits and one of her instruments and her boots, and I'm like, oh, Barbara Mandrell. I love Barbara Mandrell, and I always wanted to be a Mandrell sister. Anyways, and then I don't remember. I mean, they had so much. It's a lot to really take in. So if you go, make sure you give yourself the time to really walk through and process it all, because it's big, isn't it, honey?
It's very big. It's huge.
You can't even get enough time to really look at everything. And Loretta Lynn's stuff was there, Johnny Cash, Porter Wagner, Dolly Parton, Kenny Rogers, Johnny Cash. Did I say Johnny Cash already? And here in Nashville, there is a Johnny Cash museum. I'm going to shut up. And I'm going to get Ronnie out of here and take him and get him a burger. And lunch is served. Look at his big old sandwich.
I've got this stupid frosty.
Ronnie hates eating here, don't you? You good?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm trying to get this side. I'm on. So I decided he needed a massage. Can you feel it in your legs?
Yeah, it's going up my head now.
Oh, it is? It's getting your head?
Yeah. You see?
You like it?
Oh, I love it.
Yeah, is that working for you?
How long will I do it for?
We're giving Ronnie a massage. Have you ever done this before? No? No?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I ain't ever had this.
You like it?
I love it.
I'm gonna have to get you one of these chairs for Christmas.
Yeah, please give me one of these chairs.
We got everybody. You okay?
Oh, yeah.
You guys have made about I asked somebody and said, did we order this food ahead of time? I don't know.
You got me?
You ordered it.
I do.
I think I ordered fettuccine because I see that on the list. I can see me ordered fettuccine. That's like my favorite. I hope I ordered that. If not, I'll get it. I'll have to get it. I don't remember. We can't remember. Nobody remembers what we ordered. They do.
We are underwater. How cool. This place is bigger than I thought.
The restrooms to your right.
Okay. You feel that wall? You can feel it. Do you feel it?
I'll do it.
That's all fish in there. It's a big aquarium with fish in it. I smell fish, like literal eatable.
Okay, we have to find our names. Mary, go to your left. Right over there.
Handstanding is where you're at.
Thank you.
Can you take a picture of your burger so we can show your aunt?
Yep.
You'll have to stand up there by the...
You want to go there? There's a stingray over there. It's a big, thick, long tail.
Really?
Yeah, stingray, I guess, what it looks like. Different species.
Looks like it's burnt.
Look at its neck.
Shark. Look at that horn.
I know. I've been trying to get it cooked so fast.
Hello, pizza. All right, we're leaving.
My eating's done
There's
for
the
today.
bar. Exit. Which way's exit? Exit's this side. Okay.
That's it now.
How did our group, how did we make it back here and not all the way up there?
I can. There's the stairs to the stairs right in front of you.
I mean, I feel like music is always just a good outlet for me, and I love studying music, and I love listening to other artists share their stories.
Hi guys, so it is actually the next morning and we just are sitting here eating breakfast, and I wanted to come in and tell you guys I got back so late last night that there was no way that I was picking up the camera because I was out of it. Yesterday we had a very good day. We went to the Music Hall of Fame. We went to the Opry Mills Mall where we caught the Aquarium. And then we went to the Grand Ole Opry house, and yeah, so we had a really good time at the Opry house. And then after that, then we got a grand tour of the backstage of the Grand Ole Opry, and time I got home I was exhausted. So I just checking in today. I just want to say I hope you enjoy these vacation travel vlogs of me and Ronnie's trip. We are excited to be in Nashville, and thank you so much for watching. And if you're new to my channel, Heidi's Home, please hit that subscribe button. There's going to be a lot more content coming your way, and thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.